This scene of the Last Supper belongs to a group of the mural paintings that decorated originally the chapel of St. Catherine in the Cathedral Church of La Seu d'Urgell, a late but extraordinary example of Catalan Romanesque painting. Their discovery, behind a Baroque altarpiece, rescued them from oblivion, but also led inevitably to their being dispersed in the world of antiques collecting. Divided into three separate parts, these pieces are now conserved in the Museu Nacional d'Art de Catalunya, the ABEC Foundation in Switzerland, and the Museu Episcopal de Vic. The entire iconographic program depicted can be related to the campaign against the Cathars promoted by the Bishopric of Urgell. The representation of the Saint's Supper is organized along a rectangular table with the apostles behind, except Judas Iscariot, the betrayer, that is represented at the front and is seen from the side. In the middle of the composition, we find the figure of the Christ blessing and offering the bread to Judas, and the apostle John on Jesus' right side, sleeping peacefully with the eyes closed, leaning on the table. The presence of the Last Supper is a direct reference to the sacrament of the Eucharist that the Cathars explicitly denied. The scene with the dispute and arrest of St. Catherine, preserved at the Museu Nacional d'Art de Catalunya, is an image of the victory of the dialectics of the faith from the heresy. The fragment preserved at the ABEC Foundation in Switzerland is the scene of the martyrdom of St. Catherine, a touching story to give example to the parishioners during the fights against the Cathars.